Well, this morning is going to be a little bit of a slow morning. Can't really get going on a few things until a couple other things get done, and then we gotta see how one job's going to rely on another job, and they're not really sure how all the cogs are going to fit in this wheel. So hopefully we'll be able to start getting going on stuff. I'm going to be moving the Sany today for sure, but just got to see how everything fits together, and then I'm headed into work. Clock says 9, but I haven't changed it yet. It's only 8 for daylight time savings time. But I'm looking forward to getting all these jobs going. So today's gonna be a little slow, and then probably speed up a whole bunch and be running around like crazy later on today. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, got the haul truck stuck in the field. Right there, that front end sank all the way down to the rim, and it's slimy enough I can't get out. So boss is just leaving. We're just gonna leave it here. It's in the field, so it's really no big deal for it just to sit there. It ain't in the way of nobody. And then I'll go and go get the 3 and move the 3 to the pit, hang out the pit probably for the rest of the day, and then come back and get this truck unstuck at the end of the day. But we'll see how that whole thing goes. Well, I've been on the dozer last while. Putting on a half a load onto the dump truck here so I can pull the haul truck out with it. But we need a lot of weight in it to be able to pull it out. It's almost 6 o'clock, so it's been a pretty long day. Be back at this tomorrow, I'm sure. Don't even know if you can hear me too well. I'm sitting next to the dump truck and the excavator. I had 6 or 7 hours on the dozer pushing around dirt, trying to get this pit going. So we're just finishing up now. Probably still an hour or 2 left. Hate working late like this, but maybe I won't have to start too terribly early in the morning. We'll see how this whole thing goes. But it didn't take a lot of video today. I didn't want to break out the GoPro on the dozer. It's kind of boring just going back and forth anyways, but we're almost done.
You guys can't see me, but I am headed home. I was supposed to follow Brian, apparently. He went one way and I went the other way because I thought we were meeting at home. And I have the GoPro, so you guys get to go home with me. But yeah, now I feel bad because I should have just followed him. But I didn't, so